our topic is natural farming. Natural farming is a chemical-free farming system rooted in Indian tradition, enriched with modern understanding of ecology, resource recycling, on-farm resource optimization. The aims of natural farming are to preserve flora and fauna, to restore soil's health, fertility, and soil's biological life, and also it increases farmers' income. Now we come to the benefits of natural farming. Ensures better health. As natural farming does not use synthetic chemicals, it reduces health hazards and risks. It also increases farmers' income by cost reduction and reduced risks.
Hydroponics. The hydroponics is the cultivation of plants in water. Through this technique, the roots absorb the nutrients present in the water and fulfill their growth requirement.
So the material used in this project are PVC pipes, LED glow lights, a bucket as a reservoir tank, native plants, and plastic cups.
Procedure. PVC pipes is as the growing medium. This is where the plants would grow in. LED glow lights would hang, providing the plants with light and enabling photosynthesis. Few points to take care of your hydroponics. Keep it in a well placed and let there be some natural sunlight, or else if you don't find natural light, you can use the use of artificial light.
So to conclude, hydroponics reduces environmental impact of agriculture by using less water, pesticides and fertilizers, and by reducing the need for land to grow this plant. So this is how it works. Now I'm going to add this water, banana peel soaked in water for 7 days. It is going to be used as a biofertilizer. This is going to circulate to the entire plant system, and it's going to get all the nutrients it needs.
This is the hydroponic plant. It is grown in cocoa peat.
These are fenugreek plants. Their seeds and leaves have high medicinal value and help to reduce blood sugar and lower blood cholesterol.
Now let's move on to deep water culture. I have grown microgreens in this process. I have used germination trays for the growth of these plants. First, I have soaked the seeds overnight. The next day, I have drained the water so that the seeds do not rot. After that, I kept the seeds in a dark place covered with tissue papers and towels to aid germination. After the seedlings have sprouted, I shifted them to the germination trays and filled the trays with water. In this process, the seeds were touching the surface of the water, but they were not completely submerged. I have also used a simple colander found at home to grow fenugreek and green gram. As you can see in the picture, the roots have also started to grow in these plants. This is known as the wick bucket system. This can be made using simple materials found at home. They are a plastic storage container, thermocol sheet, 2-inch net cups, cotton thread, and skewers from the kitchen. Here I have grown lettuce. This is the product after 1 month. In this process, the plants absorb the nutrients through the cotton
another
thread.
system known as vertical hydroponics. Here, I have used the materials a 20-liter Bisleri can, cocoa peat, a PVC pipe, and onions as the plant. Here, holes have been made in the Bisleri can so that the shoots can come out easily. I have noticed that the roots have come out in 10 days, and in another 4 to 5 days, even the shoots have sprouted.
Now we come to the difference in growth of plants in soil and the ones grown in hydroponics. In the first picture, you can see mustard seeds that have been planted on the same day in coco peat and in soil have a significant difference in both their length and in their volume. Spring onion in coco peat and clay stones have grown better than in the ones grown in soil. After calculations, it has been proved that there has been a 94% better growth in water than in soil. The same can be seen in the green gram grown in coco peat and the ones grown in soil. I have also tried experimenting with the different types of plants that can be grown through hydroponics. I have been successful in growing parsley, sweet potato, aloe vera, coriander, garlic, American rubber, geranium, and purple heart, which are flowering plants.